You can rest assured of your child's excellent performance when you register your child with Janan Schools, Bombo Kalule Campus and Kabalagala. Due to their firm educational background, we have the best facilities in both arts and sciences, fully updated to the latest sector standards, right from Senior 1 to Senior 6, in an environment that offers a chance to apply practical skills in all fields. That include a computer lab, introducing our students to the tech world, a well-organized science laboratory, a fully stocked library with all the essential books a student may need, a model farm to equip students with all the basic knowledge in agriculture, plus extra vocational skills. We promote co-curricular activities in sports like badminton, table tennis, basketball, volleyball, chess, and many more other activities. Register your child today at both campuses in Bombo Kalule and Kabalagala campus. For more information, contact us on the numbers below.
Receive the calling. If you don't receive the calling, it has nothing to do with kids, although I have them. But that's what it is. It's about the work of God. But I'm happy where I am. I extend my heartfelt gratitude to Governor Edward Kakembo Nsubuga for inviting me to share my insights with the Rotarians and their friends. This opportunity to contribute to the impactful work Rotary undertakes and to make a keynote address on the theme titled Keeping Hope Alive is actually a privilege. It is not every day that one addresses a large group of people whose common denominator is their love for service to humanity. I define hope as the fuel that keeps a person going even after some exhausting undertaking. When hope is lost, so does incentive. And failure often occurs not for lack of initiatives, but because there was nothing driving one from one stage to the next, or a better day tomorrow. The Kingdom of Uganda appreciates the role of Rotary, not only in Uganda and Uganda, but in the entire globe. We commend Rotary because your activities generate hope, and this gives communities a reason to aim higher. When you look at the young men who are standing here, the stories they told us, I think they've got reasons to aim higher, to achieve better. When individuals and communities are empowered, they are enabled to believe in the possibility of a better future, thus inspiring them to take action towards greater horizons. A critical look at the activities of Rotary shows a series of undertakings which but can only generate hope, particularly in the Ugandan context. 116 years ago, Winston Churchill described us as the Pearl of Africa. The children sang about the Pearl of Africa. He based that description on what he witnessed, and probably in comparison to what he had seen in other parts of the continent. He noticed the mild weather
in the greater Masaka city. He is the last born from a very big family. Like many young people of his generation, when he was growing up and going to school in the late 70s and early 80s, there was less hope for many because of the turbulent times we had in the country. But he was lucky, his father was an educationist and made sure he got the best education the parents could afford. At the tender age of 10 years, his late mother wanted him to join a minor seminary. But the young guest of honor then was a visionary. And he don't turn up for the interviews to join the